Here goes. We're filming.
You filming?
Yep.
You good?
Okay. Hi, buddy. That's our dog Ziggy. That's our dog Ziggy. Yes, he is. Yeah, and Holly is right there. And guess what she's getting ready to do? My sweetheart has got everything done on this. It's all completed, and now we're installing a new piece of art up on the entrance wall.
Okay. Oh dear, I might need your help.
And she might need my help on this, but
Uh-oh, yeah, I'm gonna need
maybe she's gonna need my help. Okay, hold on just a second. Can you get it?
Yeah, but I don't.
Did you get that one?
No.
The top one?
Yeah, I got the top one. I don't know about this. I can't see to do
But you
it.
can see the whole thing. Look, just how detailed this is.
Shoot, I can't, honey, I can't get that.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna stop it now and go help her actually put it in place. Okay, so Holly has now put in place our latest piece of art. I know you saw kind of a close-up of it, but this is the whole thing. She did a great job with this. Love it.
It looks good.
Talk to you soon. Stay safe, stay well.